Hey guys, welcome back once again to the Online Hustle Guide TV, where I'm committed to bringing you the best information, especially when it comes to making money online. And today I'm back once again with a wonderful website that is going to help you generate extra income. A couple of bucks that you can make by completing simple tasks, simple micro tasks with no time, and you will be able to earn money. Now, these websites that I'm bringing you are universal websites. So for the people who are asking questions like, can I do this in Nigeria? Can I do this in Ghana, Cameroon, Bhutan, Nepal, India, whatever place, these are universal opportunities. So from wherever you are, please, you can earn money by just sitting on your laptop. Thank you so much. Let me remind you before going any further, please subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and make sure that you let me know how you feel in the comment section about the content that I'm bringing, how beneficial it is to you, and any questions I will be available to answer. Thank you so much. Like you see already on my screen, today I'm going to be answering different questions about micro workers. Now, having done research on the internet for over 6 good years, finding videos that are not in English, I love my Indian brothers so much. They always bring us good information, but the only challenging part of it is most people from India, when they are doing like content, it's in Indian language and you can't understand anything. The difference is here we are bringing you information in the English language, the language that any of you guys can really grasp and understand. So that's the uniqueness about this channel, and I'm bringing you the things that have worked for me. With carrying over experience over 7 years working on the internet, I'm bringing you the websites that have worked for me, things that have really worked for me. I'm not going to be bringing you anything that has not really worked for me. So thank you so much once again for being here, and let's get straight into it. So today I'm going to be talking about micro workers. I want to answer questions like, is micro workers legit? Do they pay? How do they pay? How is the website? Has anybody ever worked there and they got paid? Yes, today I'm here to answer all those questions. Now, micro workers. So when we see the word micro workers, obviously the first thing that has to come into our minds is these are micro tasks. So this website is a website that brings together micro workers. Now, why does this website bring together micro workers? Is to avail micro tasks or bring micro tasks that micro workers will help fulfill. When I talk of micro tasks, these are small tasks. Like someone can say, go to my Facebook channel and like. Someone can say, listen to this audio and type or write everything that you had or listen to or interpreted, in that particular audio. It could be a video as well. It's so many things. So when you see the word micro workers, definitely one thing that has to come to your mind is these are micro tasks here. Now, Micro Workers is an American company, and it's a legitimate company because I work with this company myself. Now, like I always say, for you to be successful making money online, you're going to need a lot of wisdom, my brothers and sisters. So please, don't skip the videos. I'm not saying only this for my sake, but I'm saying even if you go to anybody's channel, don't skip. Make sure that you sit down, invest time in understanding how it works. Now, one of the tips that will help you be successful in making money online is that you will have to have so many websites, you're going to be doing so many things. Last time I showed you one former, I showed you Clickworker, I showed you Appen, today I'm bringing you back, and I have accounts with all these companies. So meaning I can wake up in the morning and say I'm going to be working for 2 hours on Microworkers. I'll go to UHRS for 3 or 4 hours. Then I'll go to Click Worker. You see, then I'll also soon bring you Yandex Toloka, how to make money on Yandex. You see, so all these things you will have to juggle. You'll have to juggle all these accounts if you're going to be doing something sensible at the end of the month, because most of these micro tasks will be paying a little bit less compared to the normal job. So this is extra income that you're going to be earning. So if you really want to turn it into a job, you must have as many websites that are operating as you can. That was just a tip. Don't just go to Microworkers and think that you're going to make it on Microworkers the entire month, and you have to juggle these things. And again, it's going to take you time to get to a place of earning like thousands or hundreds of thousands or millions of money online. It's going to take time. Like any other thing, you'll just have to be patient and learn in the process. Equip yourself with as much knowledge as you can. Now, going back to Microworks, this is how it is. If you go to Google, I'm going to be putting the link in the video. I mean in the description. So just go, click on the link and sign up. So now let's get straight into it. Now, as you see here, we are on the sign up page. On the sign up page, you're going to see this. Like, you'll have to fill in your first name, middle name, last name if you have one, gender, blah blah, company. It's important that you put in accurate information, because at the end of the day, when you are requesting for your payments, these guys are going to ask you for verification. You'll need to send your passport, you'll need to send your pictures, so don't fake anything for your own good. That's just a nugget. Don't fake anything for your own good. Just keep it real and all things will fall in place. So make sure that you fill up each and everything here, and after you've done the filling up, now your account will be created. After verifying your email as well, your account is going to be created. Now, once your account is created, it's going to look something like this. So let's go here. It's going to be looking something like this. You see, that's how it's going to be looking. So now you'll have an account that looks like this. So here you see, this is proof. This is proof. This is proof that I have made money on this account. You see, this is proof. So I got $6.22 available here. So this is proof that really you can make money on this website. Now, when you come here, you're going to be seeing different stuff, but you as a worker or an employee, most of the things that you need to pay focus, to give you focus, is going to be around this area, like this area. So if you look here, you're going to be having now this is a filter. All these down here are jobs. So these are jobs. Now, among the jobs you're going to be doing, these are simple tasks. I'll give you an example. When you come down here, you're going to see something like this. I'm just looking for something simple here to do. Like, you're going to go to Instagram, follow, like, and comment. You see, these are very simple things. You're going to go to someone's YouTube page, follow, like, subscribe. It's all about that. It's not really something that big. So these are the jobs. Now, there is a filter here where you can filter your gigs. For instance, I put I put I put I put the most paying jobs. Now when I put the most paying jobs, what is going to appear here is, you see, so this is one of the biggest jobs available. You'll have to go to your phone, download, install an application, sign up. So it's going to be paying you $3. Now you must have an iPhone to perform this. You see, these are 50 cents, meaning if you do 2 of these gigs, that's $1 already. So meaning if you perform like 200 gigs in an hour, you have something like $10 an hour, you know. So that's something you can really work on perfectly. So different gigs, it's going to be Pinterest sharing, what, all these jobs here have instructions and conditions. So I will advise you, please take your time to read the instructions. Don't try to rush over anything. Submit accurate answers. If you don't, you'll be banned from this platform, you know, which I wouldn't want for anybody. We were seeing here, there are different jobs. Qualification: you can test websites and apps, you can download mobile applications, you can do surveys, fill up surveys, you can sign up for different stuff, click and share, maybe on your Twitter, on your Instagram. Transcription, where you're going to be listening to different audios and write down whatever you've listened to. Data collection, annotation, music, and blah blah. Like so many stuff, so many things here. Social media, all these are available. All these are very available for you. I was talking about YouTube, like this one. This one, if you click on it, you see, if you click on this job, if you're going to be clicking on it, you see how it appears. This is how it's going to appear. You will see like the instructions here. For instance, you can come and say accept and start. You see, they are showing you everything here, what you need to produce as proof: your YouTube username, what search term did you look for, proof, 100% video screenshot, blah 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 blah. So many things here. Not how many times it's not. Now they are trying to show to see if you really watch the video. You see, so meaning you can actually watch videos on the internet and get paid. This is all about watch, share, and like. That's all. You know, this is not really something big. So like I said, there's a lot of instructions that you will need to read the instructions, and please perform the tasks that are given to you, and you will be earning your money. Now it's important for you to note, especially if you're coming from Africa, East Africa, these jobs are universal. All these tasks are universal. So a kind of person that comes from Africa, Asia, North America, blah blah, so many of those places, I mean, you're good to go. But it's important for you to have a Payoneer account. For those of you guys who are in the US, UK, Canada, Europe, you know, it's very okay. You guys can go with PayPal. But in Africa, PayPal is a little bit of a headache in Africa. So I would recommend PayPal. Please look out into my videos and find a video that will teach you on how to use PayPal and operate on PayPal, because I use it myself to receive money from these companies. So I would recommend PayPal. So please use this opportunity. You're seated at home, I mean, you're in your vacation, you could earn a couple of bucks like from these websites when you have not strived. It's important for you to have a PC or a computer, and secondly, it's important for you to have connected internet. Must have internet for you to fulfill these kinds of tasks. So I'm waiting to hear from you. If you have started working, please just let me know that you started working with Microworkers. Please share your experience in the comments, and I will be coming back again to show you what kind of jobs really work out and which jobs could you possibly do when it comes to micro workers. Thank you so much once again for being available on this channel. I really appreciate the fact that you want to invest in yourself and gather or accumulate as much knowledge as you can. That I really appreciate. Once again, I remind you to subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and please let me know how you feel in the comment section. As always, stay locked onto the Online Hustle Guide TV for the best information when it comes to making money online. I hope this works out for you, and God bless you. See you next time. Thank you.